Here I have two SM9 Olympia typewriters. This one on the left I'm getting ready to put up on eBay for sale. Got it all ready to go. Everything was working great. And then I went to check the tab, and I pressed on the tab and it slows up and it stops before it gets in there. I put a piece of paper in it and pressed on it, and it barely would even move. So I had this other SM9, and you can see when I press on the tab on this one, it moves clear across. Now you want to have a typewriter manual typewriter that's level, because if it's not level, it can either speed it up the carriage or it can slow it down. These are both level and everything, but I couldn't quite figure out. This one's moving great. This one here slows down. So when I put a piece of paper on it, it even slowed it down more. So then I started comparing the two. That's what's great about having two like typewriters. You go back and forth like that little game of what's the difference. And what I noticed was this little wire thing wasn't touching, it's away from the rubber roller. And then when I went over here, I noticed it's touching it hard. It's dragging. And so when it's something I just didn't notice. I was looking at everything else, and I said, okay. So I went ahead and bent this back a little bit so it wasn't pressing quite so hard on the paper. And then now when I press the tab, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Before, when I had the paper in there, it didn't even move when I pressed the tab. So I find it fascinating fixing these typewriters up, and because it's pure mechanical, no electronics. Thank you for watching this video.